this Monday morning that is now opened. We're going to get you a quick focus on what's happening at Dalal Street, because it seems that the markets have opened again in the red. So there have been very few instances of any recovery that seems to have been reported, but they continue to slump. And now Sensex is down by over 1,000 points. Nifty has also slipped by over 300 points as Dalal Street has now opened, weak. As far as previously, the GIFT Nifty, an early indicator of Dalal Street, was down by 270 points. And what we are now looking at as far as the markets are now concerned, this Monday morning, Hina, once again, nothing but bloodbath.
Well, absolutely. It's a sea of red again as far as Dalal Street is concerned. Sensex in the pre-open, you're right, was down much more. But right now, after the markets opened at 9:15, Sensex saw a cut of about 1,000 odd points. And if you look at Nifty, it's also down about 1.5%, close to 1.5%. So deep cuts there coming in today as well, because the war has now entered its fifth week. There are still no signs of de-escalation at all. But there are two important reasons driving the, fear in the markets today. One, of course, is that the crude oil has started rising once again. It's hovering around $115 to $116 per barrel, the Brent crude. And second important aspect is that how the Houthis have also entered into the fray. Houthis have also opened another front against Israel. So that is, what seems to be, adding to the worries of investors, because nobody really knows where is it headed. Till now, it was a two-front war that Israel was fighting. One, of course, was with Iran, and second was with the Hezbollah in Lebanon. But now Houthis over the weekend also entered into the fray. So while we were thinking of maybe there could be ceasefire on the anvil, maybe this war will end soon, but now you have another player entering into this particular war. So that has added to, the jitters.
So the Nifty that mainly reacts to Friday's sell-off on Wall Street and, the futures declining this morning, higher oil prices, the US dollar index back at 100 and the market opening up, at an all-time low, where all major indices already seems to be are reporting in the red, with Nifty is below 22,550 with 48 stocks being opening in the red. Thank you very much, Hina, for that update. We'll give you the market updates